Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and in this case, it's set 30408, and this is the Friends Tulips. Now, one thing I've noticed about the Friends sets is like I put together the Friends, I think it was a sunflower set, the Polybag, and that one was like 100 pieces, and this one, I think it's about 90. I think that's what it was. So these Friends sets, especially the ones like this, the flowers, they seem like they're pretty serious polybags. Anyway, if you're interested in this particular polybag, I'll include links in the description for where you can find it on Amazon and Bricklink. And also I'll include the brick set page for it in case you want to find out information about that. Also, if you enjoy this kind of video where I'm putting together a polybag, please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Alright, so let me slide all this stuff out of the way and we'll get down to work. Alright. I'll tell you one thing about the Friends sets is like you end up with some interesting colors of pieces. Like there's a lot of purples. There are a lot of purples and like magenta and pink, that kind of thing. And although again, I mean, unless you're going to make like the Joker's house, which this actually looks like it might not be too bad for. It's always good to get, I mean, like, more colors and more options and pieces. Always a good thing. Alright, so let's put this together. So this is going to be our vase, or vase, for holding the tulips. And then our corner pieces. And corner piece. I need 2 more corner pieces. Corner piece. And the last corner piece. Alright. So we got that. Yeah. So we just a little bit. Alright, so next what we need is we need some of those pieces facing out. So that one and this one. And this one. Alright. So we're looking at that right there. And then the corner pieces are going to be more purple. Like so. There's that. And then alright, so we're putting together these, so we'll have kind of add a little bit of roundness to our vase. And the third piece over here. Alright, like so. These just go on the sides. 1 and 2 and 3. Not so bad so far. So we got the right there. And then we put 2 headlights. Slide this over a little bit so y'all can see. We add in 2 headlights to the front. 1 and 2, like so. And then we add the purple tiles. Alright, they go all around the top. kind of neat looking so far. Alright, so we're sitting there, and then we put this piece right here, like so. And now we're going to make this heart right there. And the way we do the heart is we do this and that. That's kind of an interesting way to do the heart. I like it. It's kind of a neat option. So, if you ever need to make a heart, that looks pretty good. I think they did a decent job with that heart. Good job, them. And this goes on the front. I'm assuming it attaches like so. That really is a good looking heart. I like that. They get like a gold star for that one. Alright. So now we gotta get down to making our flowers. Alright. Are the flowers the same or are they different? Alright. Let me look a little bit ahead and see. Because if they're the same, I'm just going to do them both at the same time. Yeah, okay, so it says ×2 there. So I can just do these both at once. Alright, so we'll tackle these both at the same time. Okay, so that goes in there, and this one goes in here, and then we flip them over. Wait, don't flip them over. This goes in here, and then 1, 2, 3. I guess these go on top. 1, 2, and 3. So that's that one. And 1, 2, and 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. I feel like I've been lied to. So, I need one more. 5. There we go. Alright, so that's that. Now we put these on top, like so. It's kind of a cool piece. This is like an inverted half dome or something. I don't know. Alright, so we got these two pieces. These are going to be our flower stems. And now next, do 2 of these. Oh wow, this is kind of cool. These 1x1s with the 2 studs on adjacent sides, you can actually do a lot with these. And this set gives you 8 of them. Yeah, it gives you 8 of them. Neat. Well, that's definitely useful just to sort of have in the box. It lets you do a lot with like making spheres and that kind of thing. The studs not on top stuff. Alright, cool. And we got that. And like that. And then we put 2x2 brick on top. And then so we got the 2x2 brick. And then we go over here and we put these on top of the bricks. I'm guessing this is going to be, oops, I'm guessing this is going to be the innards of our flower, or the insides of our flower, if you wanted to get all fancy with your talking. Alright, so we got that, and that, and that. So that's that. And then I give you a bunch of these too. Kind of cool. So these connect, I'm guessing, like so. Yeah. Alright. These connect right here. So we make our flowers. I gotta tell you, I have enjoyed the Friends flower sets. Like this one and the sunflower. Those are pretty cool sets. And this one especially, you get a ton, getting 8 of those pieces, that's pretty decent. I ordered a bunch of them on Bricklink at one point. So this goes like here. Flower. And a flower. And I popped that one off when I put that on. Alright. So we got this. Do they not attach? Do they just sit in here? Huh. I don't like that. And it looks pretty good. Especially the heart. That's really good. Alright, so, well, let's put together the bee. And then we'll see about the other stuff. Alright, so we got a bumblebee. So our bumblebee is this, and this, and then this is going the other way. And this is going this way. Like so. And then this goes on the front. Like so. So there's that. And this clips in right there. Like so. And the wings clip on the back. Now that's moving around pretty good. The wings clip on the back. So this is our bumblebee. It doesn't look too bad as a bumblebee. And then we attach it to one of the flowers. Like so. Alright, so that's a neat looking little set. I like this set. Unfortunately, I don't like the removability of the flowers. I feel like these should be attached somehow. Maybe there should be something in there to attach them to them. Attach them. I think you'd have to do a little. It'd take a little. Oops. It would take a little effort to get the angles, but with the exception of the flowers not being attached, I think this is a really cool little set. Anyway, if I've done anything weird, let me know in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for any polybags you think I should take a look at, you can also let me know down there. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.